Today we're going to show you how to make our secret recipe, our famous salmon burger on Bannock. Never shared this recipe before. Hi, my name is Inez Cook, and I'm the co-founder of Salmon and Bannock Bistro. We're the only Indigenous restaurant in Vancouver. We're located on the unceded territories of the Coast Salish people, and these are known as the salmon people. And we're so lucky that we have all of this wild salmon in our backyard, and this is what sustained all of our people for many, many, many years. Bannock is interesting because I believe every culture had some form of bread that they would make, and ours is a very simple recipe. It's just flour, water, pinch of baking powder, little pinch of salt. It's our traditional bread. Basically, all the Indigenous communities would make whatever ingredients they have available to them. So there's over 600 nations of Indigenous communities in Canada, and over 200 of those are in British Columbia. So we are so fortunate that we have so many different diverse cultures in a very small area in BC. One thing that's really interesting is that all cultures, food brings people together, and we're no different. Here we are at Salmon and Bannock, bringing people together, and it's